Look at that. Damn! Octopus, yo.
Ooh.
Watch. Film him as I put him down. Put on your head. Film him as I put him down. And watch him move around. Oh, he's got my foot!
Wow.
That's so cool. That's so cool.
Let me touch.
Come in here. He knows we're not trying to hurt him. I'm going to put him back in the water. I want you to film me putting him back in the water.
Alright.
Take a picture with that too before, babe. Just pictures. Good movie since I was really hard to see.
Okay, weird.
Go ahead, look in the water.
Go ahead and take pictures.